Hello students, welcome to our channel. So basically this will be going our Java series. So in the very first video we are going to install our JDK and the setup of the JDK in our system. So first we have to go in Google and type here JDK download. You have to open the very first website, and here you can select the JDK file according to your OS. So I'm going to select for Windows, and in Windows you can see the 64 installer. You can download it from here. After downloading it, you can check it out in your files and install the folder. Then after installing, you can go in local disk C, and in here you have to go in program files, and then you have to go in Java folder, and then you have to go in JDK folder, and here you have to go in bin folder and copy the address of the bin folder by your address tab. So I am going to copy the address. After copying the address, I have to go in this PC, and here I have to click right click and go on advanced system setting. Here I have to go in environment variables, and here I have to click on path, and here I have to select new option and copy the path and click on the OK button. I have already set up the path for my system, so I will not be again setting up the path. I will simply cancel up this, and you have to just click on the OK, and the path setup will be completed. Then for the confirmation, you can go in command prompt, and here you can type Java, and if you all are getting this kind of stuff, then I can ensure that your JDK path setup is completely done in your system. So basically in this video we have covered how we can install JDK and do the path setup in our system. So in the upcoming video we are going to see the Java programs. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Thank you.